things. All right, we're gonna go over this. So I guess we can get started. So the question here is, so we're looking at these two box plots, right? And we're gonna answer the questions. So question one, what is the median, okay, for A, and what is the median for B? Okay, so what is the median for A, and what is the median for B? For A, here's the median, right? So the median is 70. For B, the median is also 70. Okay, they're the same median. Which plot has the lesser range? ¿Cuál de los dos tiene range más chiquito? So range for A is 100, right? So the range is the biggest, right? The biggest minus the smallest. So the range is 50 for A. For B, the range is 100 minus 40, which is 60. So range for A is 50. Range for B is 60. So who is the lesser? ¿Qué tiene el range más chiquito? What's the range that's smaller? So that would be A. Okay. Which plot has the greater interquartile range? So IQR. So A. Let's do the IQR. And the IQR is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is here. This is Q1. So 80 minus 60, 65. So it's 15. So for A, it's 15. For B, the IQR, again, Q3 minus Q1 is 85 minus 60, which is, oh, did I do something wrong? Which is 25. So for B is 25. So who has the greater? ¿Quién es el más grande? Which is the greater? It's B. Okay. What is the upper quartile for each set of this data? So the upper quartile, okay, so be very careful here. Upper quartile, this word here, upper quartile, es la misma cosa, it's the same thing as Q3. Lower quartile es la misma cosa que Q1. All right, so upper quartile, Q3 is 80, for A is 80, for B is 85, for B, 85. What is the lower quartile? Lower quartile is Q1, right? So for A, the Q1 is 65, right here, right? 65, so for A, 65. For B is 60. What is the least value in plot A? ¿Cuál es el número más chiquito del A? The smallest value for A is this one, which is 50. What is the greatest value in plot B? Más grande de B es 100. Which plot represents the larger range of data? The larger range, ¿quién tiene el range más grande? Bueno, el B, que es más largo. B has a bigger range, right? Because you can see it's from 40 to 100, so B. What percent of the data in plot B is between 60 and 85? ¿Cuál porcentaje está entre 60 y 85? So first, before I answer that question, I'm going to do something I should have done before. So remember, 25%, 25%, 25%. This is 25%. This is 25%. This is 25%. This is 25%, right? 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay, so what percent of the data in plot B is between 60 and 80? Right? Between 60. So I'm going to actually have to erase this. Between 60, the 60, 80, is 25%. 25, wait a second. In plot B is between 60 and 25%, right? Entre 60 y 85 is 25%, 25%. So that is 50%, right? Hay 50% entre 60 y 85. What percent of the data is greater than 80? En el A, ¿qué porcentaje más grande que 80? Bueno, 80 está aquí. El porcentaje más grande que 80 es esto. ¿Cuánto vale esto? So the percentage that's greater than 80 is this part right here. So that's 25%. What percent of the data in plot A is less than 65? Menos de 65. Or 65 aquí. In A, menos de 65 sería esto. ¿Cuánto vale esto? So how much is this? That's 25%. So aquí, here, it's also 25%. What percent of the data in B is greater than 60? En el B, ¿qué porcentaje más grande es 60? So, sería todo esto, ¿no? Más grande 60 es esta, esto, y esto. So greater than 60 is this, and this. So it's 25%, 25%, 25%. So it's 75%, 75%. Are any of the data points in A or B outliers? ¿Hay alguien en A, B? Maybe this guy is an outlier. 40 tal vez an outlier. I might say 40 maybe is an outlier. 40 is an outlier. 14. Which plot gives more predictable values? ¿Cuál de los dos tiene esos números, digamos, más predecible? Esa es la palabra. More predictable. Which of the plot gives you more predictable values? So we're talking about the numbers. Para saber eso, es cuál de los dos tiene los números más juntos. Which of the two has the lesser range, right? Or the lesser, smaller interquartile range. So that sería, which plot is more? Sería el A. El A tiene menos variedad. The A has less variety. All right. So which plot gets more predictive variables? Sería A. ¿Cuál de los dos tiene los valores que dan más, es más juntos, más predecibles? Sería el A. ¿Por qué? Porque los números son más juntos. Why? Because the numbers are less spread. Are less spread. Los números son menos separados. Okay, so that's that, right? Y eso es eso. Now the other part was this one. So lo vamos a hacer otra vez. I'm gonna do it again. Guys, please use YouTube, the closed caption. Okay, please use that tool. So the question here is, James is going to work. He's going to go by bicycle, or by car, or by walking, taking this train, and walking again. So we want to look at the data and then make a suggestion for him stating that the best way to go to work is by, in this case, number one, the best way to go by work is by bicycle. ¿Cómo le explicamos que la mejor manera de ir para el trabajo es en bicicleta? So how do we tell him, right, that the best way is by bicycle? So I'm going to make, here's bicycle. Yikes. Bicycle. Car. And walk, train, walk. Okay. So we're going to make a table. Okay, so here we're going to do the mean. And here we go. Remember, we did this in class. I'm just doing it again. Okay, this is the median. And then we're going to do the mean without the outlier. Vamos a hacer el mean otra vez, pero sacando el outlier. All right? So a bicycle, let's find the mean, right? We're going to add, so in your calculator, we're going to do 28 plus 24 plus 25 plus 29 plus, and I'm going to do that right now. 28 plus 24 plus 25 plus 29 plus 25 plus 26 plus 26 plus 23 plus 29 plus 25. So apparently it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eight, sorry. 8 plus 24 plus 25 plus 9 plus 25 plus 26 plus 23 plus 29 plus 25. Enter. Oh my god. 28 plus 24. 28 plus 24 plus 25 plus 29 plus 25 plus 26 plus 26 plus 23 plus 29 plus 25. Enter. We get 260. And then we got 260 divided by 10 equals 26. So the mean for bicycle is 26. Car, 19 plus 21 plus 32 plus 57 plus 31 plus 27 plus 21 plus 24. Enter 232 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 232. Divide that by 8. We get 29. 21 plus 24 plus 31 plus 26 plus 24 plus 30. Enter. It's 156. Divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 26. Divide by 6. So now we want to, now we can find the median, right? The median for the bicycle, let's see, it's 23, 24, 23, 24, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 28, 29, 29. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two numbers in the middle. It's 25. The median. For the car, we have 19. We have 21, 21, 21, 21, 24, 27, 24, 27, 31, 32, and 57. Right? So there's two numbers in the middle. So 24 plus 27 equals 51. Divided by 2, we get 25.5. And the last one, walk train. So we got 21, 24, 24, 26, 30, 31, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then two numbers in the middle. 24 plus 26 is 50, divided by 2 is 25. So we can start now writing about why he should take the bicycle. Well, ¿cómo escribimos que James tienes que ir de bicicleta? Porque el mean, mira, es uno de los más bajos. En media le dura 26 minutos. So, empiecen a explicar por qué va de bicicleta. Start writing why he wants to go by bicycle. Because the mean. So, I'm going to write here. I'm going to write over here, okay? Here. He should go by bicycle. By bicycle. Because, ¿por qué? Because the mean is el más bajo. The mean is the lowest. Okay. Debe ir de bicicleta porque el mean es el más bajo. And then you can also say because the lowest, it is healthy, buena la salud, doesn't use gas, right? It's good for the environment. It's bueno para la naturaleza. It's good for the environment. Yeah. And you can write other things too. Puedes escribir otras razones porque tiene que ir de bicicleta. Pero para hacer eso, in order to do this, you have to create this table. Para hacer eso tienes que crear esta tabla para enseñarme los números, no? So to show me the numbers. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, question at the bottom. Just put this down a little bit. Right? Number two, la pregunta 2 está diciendo, it's saying, why should he take the car? ¿Por qué tienes que ir de coche? So over here, now over here, we're going to do the mean again. Vamos a hacer el mean otra vez, pero vamos a quitar este número. We're going to do the mean, but we're going to take the 57 because the 57 was that day that there was a lot of traffic, it rained, or there was an accident, something happened. Right? So it's an outlier. So 57 is really an outlier, right? It's really way a little bit above everybody else. So if you take this out, si le quitas esto, and you do 19 plus 21 plus 32 plus 31 plus 27 plus 21 plus 24, let's see what you get. You get 19 plus 21 plus 32 plus 31 plus 27 plus 21 plus 24. Enter, you get 175. And then you divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 7. And you get 25. Look. El mean ha cambiado mucho, bajó mucho. Es el mejor de todos. The mean is the best of all of them. Right? Okay. So now in number 2, we can say James should take the car because the mean is the lowest without the outlier. Without the outlier. So quitando el outlier, el mean del coche es el mejor. So if you take the outlier out, the mean is the best. And then again, think about the other thing. The car protects him from the rain, the cold, right? The rain, the cold, the heat, right? Which is very hot. Heat, right? So el coche protege él del viento, de la lluvia, del calor. He doesn't have to exercise. He doesn't have to sweat, right? So there's advantages of taking the car. So you can say he should take the car because the mean without the outlier, el mean sin outlier, es el mejor. He can listen to music. He can eat. He's comfortable, right? So all those things are things you guys can write. So use this, usen esto, as an example, as the example para hacer el otro.